Hi guys, Joe here. Today's video is going to be how I turn a mistake into hopefully getting my money back. As you know, I make art and I do it on my downtime mostly just so I always stay busy no matter what if I don't have any work to do. Well, Friday I went to go pick this up and this I had this material rolled and it was the wrong size. Um, I'm pretty sure I told the guy on the phone that I needed inch and a quarter OD, and they ended up rolling inch and a quarter ID, which what this is for is matching something that's already existing. So this isn't going to work. This costs a bunch of money. I'm gonna have to recoup my money. So lucky enough, I could do artwork, and I came up with something I can make out of this. And yeah, so this video is going to be about a little art project I'm gonna do with this pipe that really I have no need for. So with that being said, let's get straight into the action. So this is what they look like after they're all powder coated. I did get the correct rolled steel, and the company that rolled the steel for me actually covered the cost. So it was a little bump in the road. I used the bad material and made something out of it. These are all powder coated. This pink one's interesting. Never know what colors people might like. But it's springtime, and it's a good time of year. I also have these ones over here. So yeah, that's all done. So I've been extremely busy lately. I haven't really been filming that much. I'm waiting on some projects to get installed to get some videos going. So just keep on the lookout for that. I do have a few railing jobs coming up. I have a fencing job I might record. I'm not sure yet, but I'll keep on posting the shorts and try to keep the videos coming. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.